Welcome to Brief Bites. In today's Brief Bites, let's take a bite at the How to Photograph Small Birds, Photography Top Pro Tips video by Simon D'Entremont. You can find the 12 minutes original video link in the description below. Let's get started.
Ever tried photographing small birds only for them to fly away? Let's fix that with some pro tips. Photographing small birds can be a real challenge. They're fidgety, fast, and often hidden in dense forests. But don't worry. Here are some tips to level up your small bird photography game. First, try to shoot at eye level. Avoid the common mistake of capturing bird bellies from below. Get down on the ground, elevate yourself, or find elevated paths for that perfect shot. Next, think about your background. An interesting background can make your photo pop. Look for open environments with dappled light and avoid the classic bird on a stick scenario. Move around to find the best background composition. Capture action to make your photos more engaging. Use high shutter speeds to freeze moments like singing or catching food. Wait for those compelling moments to click. Finally, get creative with lighting. Avoid harsh sunlight and experiment with shade and backlighting for a 3D effect. Shoot in manual mode with auto ISO and be ready to adjust exposure on the fly. So get out there and start snapping. Happy shooting.
Thank you for watching. If this was useful, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And let me know in the comments below which longer videos Brief Bite you would like to watch next.